silver tear across the charcoal sky. The ground begins to shake, the trees bow high. They call it random, call it fate's cruel game, a fleeting flash that never leaves a name. They whisper rules to keep the quiet peace, that once the fury hits the danger cease. A single shock, a solitary scar, then quiet falls beneath the distant star. They say it never strikes twice in the same dark place. That lightning leaves no shadow, leaves no trace. They say the thunder rolls and moves along, a dying echo of a wild, brief song. But the air still hums where the tall pines stand, and the fire remembers the exact same land. The iron rod upon the tallest hill, it takes the burning kiss and waits there still. The clouds roll back with heavy, bruised desire to find the exact same heart to set on fire. Roaring voices split the heavy air, returning to the wound already there. No random spark, no accidental thread defines the path where all the static led. They say it never strikes twice in the same dark place. That lightning leaves no shadow, leaves no trace. They say the thunder rolls and moves along, a dying echo of a wild, brief song. But the air still hums where the tall pines stand, and the fire remembers the exact same land. Break the myth, tear the sky in two. What hit us once is coming back through. The rumble counts the miles until the fall. The storm doesn't care about the rules at all. They say it never strikes twice in the same dark place. That lightning leaves no shadow, leaves no trace. They say the thunder rolls and moves along, a dying echo of a wild, brief song. But the air still hums where the tall pines stand.